Hi, here is the Canon Autoboy D5 panorama overall conditions. Okay, so the bottom part of here is the battery compartment. Use a coin or something to open it. Using one CR123A battery. You just pull accordingly, press it, twist it. Next is to open the back cover by sliding here. Inside will be like this. Then here's the film. About the film, we need to slide into this compartment to make sure that the motor has fit into the center part of the film, like that. Then we just pull the film tip to here, like that. You will see lah. Here got a symbol showing film, pull until this line. Then we just close it. Okay, when you close it, a common knowledge for you is because we need to like slide the top and press it, then only release it. If you can, don't keep on like this, because got customer they feedback that because they keep like just push it in and open it out time to time, the lock will be like spoiled or something or broke. And next thing is here, like that, it means that it's on. After it's on, it will auto load. When here show figure 1, which means that you can start shooting. If it's like load fail, then it won't show a figure 1, it will show like S. And here's the viewfinder. When you look into the viewfinder, at the center point there, got a bracket. So it's a still step bracket to aim whatever you want to focus, and half press. Okay, wait for it. Okay. If it's blinking like this for the green light, it means that it can't focus because it's like too near. Then we aim far a bit. Okay, light up like this means it's okay. Then we just click it. So every time you want to shoot, it's just like half press. Okay, doesn't blink, click it. Like that will do. Okay, now it's auto mode. Well, it got like film mode lah. This one is off, flash on every time, off the flash, and this one is macro, which 0.45 meter to 1 meter. Okay, when you want to shoot like macro, you need to like push it and shoot it like that lah. And this is timer button, click it. Okay, here light up means that the timer is start counting already. Okay, almost there. Okay, so when the camera should finish, it will auto rewind. And here's the bottom part. This one is the panorama. When you switch, it will be like crop like that. See whether it got the indicator or not. You see the top and bottom there got a P, means that it will crop like that. If you don't want, put it like this, then it won't appear anything. So the overall is like this, and when you should finish, it will auto rewind. Then only you open it and take out the film. And this is the overall condition, and hope you enjoy it.